Welcome to this React Maps tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to display tooltips in the Syncfusion React Maps component and customize them with options like text styles, formatting, and templates. This world map displays the countries that played in the Cricket World Cup finals and how many wins each team earned. I'm going to demonstrate how to build this map with a tooltip. First, I open an existing application where I have already added the React Maps component with basic properties. I have included a GeoJSON shape of the world map in the Maps layer. I have bound World Cup finalist details with an appropriate title. To learn more about integrating the Maps component into a React application, check out the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application using the npm start command to show the initial demo. Look here, the world map is rendered with a defined data source. Now let's add and customize tooltips in the map elements. First, I import the MapsTooltip module from the Syncfusion EJ2 React Maps package and inject it into the services. Then I add the tooltipSettings object and enable the visible property to show the labels. To display the tooltip text, I add the valuePath property and assign the name field from the data source. See here, when I hover over a map region, the tooltip is displayed. Next, I'll show you how to customize the tooltip. This can be achieved by adding options like border, fill, format, and text style properties. To customize the default fill color, I add the fill property and set its value to a custom color. To customize the text appearance in the tooltip, I add the text style property and set color to white. Font family to Times New Roman. Font style to sans serif. And font weight to bold. Checking now, the tooltip fill color has changed and its text is customized based on the provided options. By default, the tooltip display mode is MouseMove, but you can change the display mode to click or double click. I want to set the display mode to click, so I add the tooltip display mode property and set it to click. The map shows the tooltip when I click a map region. Now I'll change this mode to double click and show you what happens on the map. When I double-click a map region, the tooltip is shown. Before proceeding, I'll change the tooltip display mode back to MouseMove. Notice here, only the country name is displayed in the tooltip. If you want to display the final ranking along with the name, you use the format property. I add the format property and specify the name and rank fields from the data source with the proper caption. When I hover over the colored region now, the text format in the displayed tooltip has changed based on the specified fields. Finally, I will show you how to customize the tooltip design using the template property. I want to design the tooltip like this. So I comment out the existing customization, add the template property, and add the division element to act as a wrapper for the template design. I include the inline styles, border, color, background color, and padding. Next, I add the name field from the data source and separate the section by adding a horizontal rule tag. I add the inline styles, margin top, margin bottom, and border. Then I add the win field from the data source. Looking here, the tooltip has been customized based on the specified template. In this video, I've shown you how to add tooltips to the React Maps component and customize them using properties like text style, format, and template. If you want to try out the example used in this video, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our React suite through our community license if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.